How you doing? My name's Tom with Kizen Enterprise. I'm here to show you the install of the marine grade plastic version we have now. Now on this one here, designed for miter saws with sliding fences, I want to take the sliding fence, the factory fence, and slide it all the way over. And then I want to take the saw, slide that all the way over to the most angle it'll cut. If I stick it up here and I match this with the factory fence, I'm still going to be cutting on the plastic part, which is not what we want to do. So I want to take this and slide this over till it's not hitting that part. That way you're not cutting the screws or that, and you can still keep replacing this tip and not removing, hurting your fence. So then I'm going to look here and I see that my zone is fine with this, for this factory fence. If it was in here, I don't want it there. So I'd have to move that hole and drill another hole. But this factory hole's right here and it's in a good spot. I can drill that hole there. And the other hole is going to be over here. So let me slide that down. That's the zone I want to collect it in, or connect it in. Then I'm going to clamp this in back here. Got that in. I'll slide this back out of the way. Come back to the back of the saw. And I'm going to use the factory hole. Drill that one. I want to come over here and get the other hole. I'm gonna have to loosen up, slide it this way a little bit. Right there. And I get the other factory hole. Okay. Well, now I need to bring it down and countersink. There, this one over here. Okay, now we can put that onto there. All right, so now I've already installed the mounting screws using 11 millimeter or a 7/16 will still work. Make sure you're not heavy of the fence. Make sure you're behind it, not proud. Now you'll see that I'm not hitting the main fence at all to damage it. So this is where the plastic tip would come in, and I could put the plastic tips in here. Let's mount one of those in. Let me just put one on just for friends. Put that here. Put that on. Get those tight so then this will be flush. Okay, and then now I got my zone. I can come up and do up to the blade. I could do a zero cut here now, right against it. And I've got this zone here now that can wear down over time and then just replace the tips and not hurt the fence at all. So, pretty cool. Thanks for watching.